In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Temu in India. If you are planning to shop on Temu from India and want to understand the complete ordering process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Ordering products online through Temu is fairly simple, and once you understand the process, you can browse products, apply discounts, and place orders confidently from your computer or mobile browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Temu website. Once the homepage loads, sign in to your Temu account using your login details. If you do not already have an account, create one first so you can continue with the ordering process and track your purchases more easily. After logging in successfully, you can start browsing through the different product categories available on the platform. Temu offers a wide range of products, including electronics, accessories, fashion items, home products, and mobile gadgets. If you already know what you want to purchase, you can use the search bar at the top of the website to quickly find a specific item. Once you find a product that interests you, click on it to open the product page. Here, take some time to review the product information carefully, including pricing, specifications, customer reviews, and shipping details. It is especially important to confirm that the item supports international shipping to India before continuing with your purchase. After confirming the shipping availability, choose the product options you want, such as quantity, size, color, or variation if applicable. Then click the Add to Cart button to save the item to your shopping cart. When you are ready to place your order, open your cart and proceed to the checkout page. At this stage, you will need to provide your shipping address accurately so your package can be delivered correctly. Double-check all address details carefully to avoid delays or delivery issues. Next, select your preferred payment method. Depending on availability in your region, Temu may support options such as credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, UPI, or even cash on delivery in some areas. Choose the method that works best for you. If you have a promo code or discount coupon, this is the perfect time to apply it before completing your purchase. Enter the code carefully to receive any available savings on your order. Finally, review your order summary one last time and confirm your purchase. Once your order is successfully placed, Temu will send an order confirmation to your email, and you can begin tracking your shipment directly from your account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.